Okay, so the third challenge for me is also to the school Jello. I had to recite the Ama namin.
You have to recite the Ama namin. Okay,
When
go.
I recited, there's like some few parts that I forgot. And
Sige na, go na.
there's no cut.
Oh.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka, sambahin ang ngalan mo, mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin mo ang loob mo, ito sa
Sundin ang
lupa
loob.
para lang sa langit. Bigyan mo kami ngayon ang aming
Ng
kakanin sa araw-araw. Patawarin mo kami.
At patawarin mo kami.
At patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala
Para na
para lang
ng
ng
pagpapatawad namin. Pagpapatawad namin.
Ang
Para ng pagpapatawad namin. Pagpapatawad namin.
Ang not really great, okay.
Pagpapatawad. Para ng pagpapatawad namin.
Pagpapatawad namin
Mm.
ang
Sa nagkakasala. Sa
nakakasala sa amin at huwag mo kaming pahintulot sa tukso at idya mo kami sa lahat ng masama.
Amen.
Amen.
Very good. Okay,
Okay.
next.
The next one is find
Wait,
the
come
right
here now.
egg on
Wow,
Choo-choo.
what is that?
Okay, find the right egg on Choo-Choo's cage. Actually, Mommy spelled it mali.
That is Chuchu. Oh, go. Finish the message.
Yes. Okay, find the right egg on Choo-Choo's cage and read the message.
And read the message. Okay, read the message. I misspelled the ano. What is that, El? What is that?
Not got the egg.
It's okay. You have to help each other.
So Yale got the small one. Let's see what it said on the small one. Since Yale got the small one, oh Yale said, "Oh no, I'm not the correct egg."
I'm not the correct egg. So which is correct?
Congratulations, kids! You did a great job, and for that you deserve a prize. Go to Mommy's e-bike for a surprise.
Wow!
Wait lang. This one is for Kuya. Nice, please. This one, let's see, what is that? Who is that? Let's see. Who's that? Kuya Yael! And the last one is Rachel. We're gonna eat this after we eat this.
Yeah.
We don't want to.
That's for you.
Wait.
Are you happy? Are you happy, kid?
You said, Mommy.
Oh, you're pointing on me.
I
You're making
remember
her.
you said that you'll never give us Lego sets, but Daddy and Mommy.
Daddy said it.
Probably Daddy uses credit cards.
Credit card. Are you happy with the challenges?
Yeah!
Are you happy?
Daddy.
Oh, you miss Daddy na naman. Okay. So, let's eat first, ah.
Yes.
Okay.
And first we need to open this one.
No, eat first.
We want to open the tuna.
Eat first.
Later. Mag-eat muna tayo.
Okay.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.